Hi teacher, this is my homework. Monday and Tuesday I usually eat a lot of bread with eggs and drink a little milk for breakfast because I feel strong, I have energy and I can pay attention in my classes at school. 2. Wednesday I don't mind going to the market with my family to buy a few fruits like apples and bananas and some fresh vegetables because I like healthy food and good price. 3. Tuesday and Friday I can't stand eating too much fat in the meat and a lot of salt in the food. So I prefer to eat some rice, a little chicken and many vegetables at home in a simple way. 4. Saturday I would like to go to the supermarket and buy many fruits, a little yogurt and some cereal because I want to prepare a healthy breakfast and spend time with my family. 5. Sunday I hate buying bad food or food in bad condition, so I always check the products, look at the color and smell and choose fresh food to cook a delicious meal at home. 6. Friday afternoon. I like to drink a little juice and eat some cookies because I feel hungry after school and I need some energy to do my homework at home. 7. Friday night. I don't mind eating a little rice with some chicken and few vegetables because it is a simple dinner, it's a healthy and I can relax with my family at home. Thanks.